Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Peacasa. These are basically chickpea chips and sea salt. Let's look at the ingredients. Chickpea flour, you guys want to read it, pause the video. And mustard, and there we go. Let's open this up. Okay, so if you look here, they're gluten-free, vegan, and this is what they look like. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. They're not bad. It tastes like more like a cracker. And it seems like what they did was they made some chickpea paste and it just crisp it up like on an oven or something like that. So make it really thin. But they're really nice. So nice and crunchy, but super thin. And they got nice seasoning on them. So alright guys, stay tuned for more videos. And they're not overly dry, so it tastes like, sort of tastes like dried chickpeas though. So alright.